Hello everyone. The convicted rapist and murderer Thabo Bester told the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court on Tuesday that 30 million rand worth of money and luxury goods had gone missing when he and his lover, Dr. Nandi Pamakutumana, were arrested in Tanzania. In April, however, SAPS National Commissioner Fanie Masemola has rubbished the claims on Saturday. He said police are only in possession of 2 cell phones and a laptop that were confiscated from the couple at Lensira Airport in Gauteng. Masemola said that on arrival at airport, police confiscated 2 cell phones and a laptop. That's what we know and what we are aware of. That was the only property that was given to us by the Department of Home Affairs on Bester's arrival in Lensira. We don't know how many, but we are aware that he paid a lawyer with watches. If he had cash on him, how will he then pay for a lawyer for consultation with watches instead of paying cash? He added that we don't know about the cash. Maybe he can go and ask in Tanzania. I don't know, but we are only aware of 1 laptop and 2 cell phones that are currently in our stores, as we always keep the property for those that are detained. The couple fled South Africa after news broke that Thabo Bester didn't die in a fire in his cell in May 2022. That he had been living outside the prison with Makutumana and had children in Hyde Park, Johannesburg. Last week on Tuesday, Bester and Makutumana reunited to court for the first time since their arrest, made headlines in April. During the court proceedings, Bester's penchant for finer things became more apparent when his lawyer claimed that money and goods worth over 30 million rand had gone missing when the law enforcement officers arrested him and Dr. Nandi Pamakutumana. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.